Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Thursday, October 8th. This is Fitness Uno with Mr. Pardick. We are going to be playing some fitness activities. So once again, you need to make sure that you have plenty of space around you so you don't knock anything over and not bump into anything as we're doing our exercises today. No, you do not need Uno cards for this game. In our game of Fitness Uno, will be, on each slide, there will be a little card randomizer. I will be pushing the buttons. If it lands on a yellow card, you'll be performing a core strength exercise. If it lands on a green card, you're going to be performing an upper body strength exercise. If it lands on a red card, you'll perform a cardio exercise. A blue card is lower body strength exercise. A wild card, you get to choose your exercise to do 10 times. If you get a +4 card, that's all 4 exercises 10 times each. If you get a +2, you get to choose two out of the 4 exercises to do 10 times each. A skip card you'll be skipping in place 10 times, and a reverse card will be back to the previous card. Like I said at the beginning, you really have nothing to do other than the exercises in this lesson. The Uno cards will be in the center of the slide. I will click on them to stop them, and you'll have to perform each exercise. Perform the exercise that corresponds with that card, and I will remind you what each thing is you need to do. All of our exercise videos today are provided by Sworkit.com. Here is round 1. You can see up here our core strength exercises is Superman's. Our upper body strength will be knee push-ups. Our cardiovascular endurance will be bottom kickers, and our lower body strength will be sumo squats. Up here in the top here is where the cards will be. I will be pausing it randomly throughout our lesson today. Here we go. Round number 1. First spin of the cards. And freeze. All right, you have 1 sumo squat. You can do that now. And as you're completing that one, I'll give the cards a spin again. We'll get ready for our next exercise. Freeze. Now you have 6 knee push-ups. Get down on those knees, bend those elbows, chin down to the floor, and push yourself back up 6 times. Ready, set, begin. And as you're finishing that up, I'll get ready to spin the cards again. Where it lands, nobody knows. 9 sumo squats. Bend those knees. Spread your legs out a little bit. All the way down, all the way up. Good sumo squats. Get ready to spin the wheel again. Finish up those squats. What's next? 9 knee push-ups. Get down on the knees again. Spread your hands a little bit wider than your shoulders. Bend those elbows. Chin all the way down to the floor and push yourself back up. As you're finishing up your 9 push-ups, I will get ready to spin this wheel again. And stop. 3 bottom kickers. Stand up and jog in place, bringing your heels up, kicking yourself in the bottom. Spin it again. +2. Again, +2 is you get to choose 2 exercises you're going to do, 10 times each. I'm going to give you 20 seconds once the music starts. You have 20 seconds to complete 2 exercises out of round 1 here. And good job. We'll spin the wheel again here in round number 1. 5 knee push-ups. A lot of push-ups in round 1. Down on those knees again. Then bend those elbows, chin all the way down the ground, and push yourself back up. Make sure your hands are a little bit wider than your shoulders. As you're finishing up your push-ups, we'll spin it one more time for round number 1. What will we land on in round number 1? The final round. 1, 8 Supermans. Scan, you have 8 Supermans. Lay down your tummy and lift up your arms and your legs up off the ground slowly, and then go back down 8 times. As you're finishing that up, we'll get ready for round 2 exercises. All right, round 2 exercises. We have some different exercises for you to do. Up here is for core strength is leg lifts. Over here is one arm holds. So you're going to be in push-up position on your hands and feet and you're holding yourself up. Cardiovascular endurance one is high knees. And lower body strength will be lunges. Again, I'm going to spin our Uno cards. 0 arm holds. What luck. No exercises that time. What are we going to land on next? +2. Once again, you're going to choose 2 exercises, and you're going to do them for 20 seconds. When the music starts, you have 20 seconds to complete round or 2 exercises 10 times each. Yeah, good job. I'm getting ready to spin it again. Scan. Where is it landing? Oh, skip it. You have 10 seconds of skipping. When the music starts, 10 seconds of skipping in place. And good job. Spin the wheel again. Randomize the cards. Once again, this is all randomized. +4. You're going to do all exercises 10 times each. Again, you have 40 seconds to complete all those exercises. Again, you have about 20 seconds left to complete all 4 exercises 10 times each. And good job. We'll spin it round 2 again. 4 leg lifts. You're going to lay down on your back and you're going to lift your legs up off the ground and kind of push them up into the air 4 times. We have time for one more here in round number 2 before we move to round 3. What are we going to stop on here in round number 2? The last one in round 2. A reverse, which means you have 4 leg lifts again. Ready. On your back again. Lift those legs up. Good job so far. Now we're in the round number 3. Some new exercises. We have bicycle crunches for core strength. We have arm circles for upper body strength. We have fast feet for cardiovascular endurance. And for lower body strength, we have those calf raises. Here we go. Spinning the Uno cards. Where it lands, nobody knows. Landing on 6. Fast feet 6 times. Ready, set, go. Move those feet as fast as you can. Good job. And here we go. Spin it again. Oop. And stop. Reverse. Fast feet 6 times again. Ready, set, go. Move those feet. Quick, 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 quick. As you're finishing that up, we'll get the Uno cards moving again. And freeze. +2. Once again, that's 2 exercises. Your choice. You have 20 seconds once the music starts to complete 2 exercises 10 times each. Good job. And we'll spin it again. Round number 3. More exercises to do. Reverse. That's another 2 exercises. 10 times each. When the music starts, you have 20 seconds to complete 2 exercises 10 times each. Yeah, good job. We'll spin it one more time here at round number 3, and then we'll go to round number 4. 5 arm circles. You have 5 arm circles. Ready, set, begin. Good. We're going to do it one more time here in round 3. I like these exercises. We'll do one more here at round number 3. Spinning the wheel, where will it land? What card will it land on? 9 fast feet. Ready, set, we go. Move those feet really, really fast. 9 times. Good job. Now we're getting ready to move on to new exercises in round number 4. All right, we are ready for round 4. In round 4, we have a supine tabletop for core strength, planks over here for upper body strength. We have cardiovascular endurance as star jumps, and for our lower body strength, we have side lunges. Here we go, spinning the cards. Once again, this is all random. I don't pick which cards come up. They come up all on their own. 5, you have supine table 5 times. So you're kind of making a bridge, going up and down 5 times. As you're doing that, I'll get the cards ready to go for the next exercise. +4, my favorite one. You get to do all 4 exercises 10 times each. Once again, when the music starts, you will have 40 seconds to complete all 4 exercises 10 times each. Good job. We'll spin it again. Get those cards going. Where does it stop? +2, or our 2 blue is side lunges 2 times. And we'll spin the cards again. Skipping, 10 seconds of skipping. Once again, when music starts, 10 seconds of skipping. Good job. Now we're going to get those cards going one more time, one last time. 5. Hold plank for 5 seconds. Ready, set, begin. And good job. All right, good job today. Our assignments, kindergarten, first, second, third graders, you record a response at Seesaw on one of the exercises you do today. A picture will work too. Make sure you hit the microphone to record a response or the video. and 4th to 50 will be on Flipgrid.